This is Bluebox, an open source tool that uses reverse-engineered undocumented APIs to efficiently and reliably extract data from dynamic websites. To get started, clone the repo and follow the setup instructions. Once your environment is ready, run Bluebox agent command to launch the terminal AI agent. You can ask the agent to perform tasks like running market price analysis on a specific Rolex model. The agent searches our API index for relevant endpoints across websites and invokes them in parallel. In this example, it finds endpoints from multiple auction sites and retrieves pricing data simultaneously. It then analyzes responses and returns a synthesized result along with a structured output such as this CSV file showing current bids. If the API index doesn't contain relevant endpoints, the system automatically falls back to a browser agent. For example, if I ask what the company Vectorly does, the browser agent navigates the web like a human to gather the information. In the background, we automatically analyze the visited websites and extract their API endpoints, so future queries can run faster using the directed API calls instead of slow UI-based browser automations. In the meanwhile, here's the final Markdown report generated from that run.